How does court jurisdiction affect legal child custody? Have you ever wondered how the location of a court can impact child custody decisions? Understanding court jurisdiction is key to grasping how legal custody works. Jurisdiction is essentially the court's power to hear a case and make decisions about it. For child custody, there are two main types of jurisdiction to consider: subject matter jurisdiction and personal jurisdiction. Subject matter jurisdiction refers to the court's authority to decide on custody matters in general. Personal jurisdiction is about the court's authority over the individuals involved, such as parents or guardians. A court needs both types of jurisdiction to issue a valid custody order. In family law, the Uniform Child Custody Jurisdiction and Enforcement Act governs child custody jurisdiction in most states. This act helps avoid conflicting custody orders from different states. It also clarifies which state's court should handle custody cases. The first basis for jurisdiction is home state jurisdiction. This means the state where the child has lived with a parent or guardian for at least 6 consecutive months before the custody case starts. This is the primary basis for determining jurisdiction. If there is no qualifying home state, the next option is significant connection jurisdiction. This applies if the child and at least one parent have strong ties to a state, along with substantial evidence related to the child's care in that state. Sometimes, a court may decide that another state is a more appropriate forum for the custody case. In such cases, the court may decline jurisdiction. Lastly, if no other state has jurisdiction, a court may take jurisdiction as a last resort to protect the child. Jurisdiction also plays a major role in legal custody. Legal custody is the right to make important decisions about a child's life, including education, health care, and religious upbringing. Only a court with proper jurisdiction can grant or change legal custody rights. This means that custody cases need to be filed in the right court according to jurisdiction rules. If not, the case could be dismissed or moved to a different court. Courts in different states must respect custody orders from courts with proper jurisdiction and enforce them. If parents live in different states or if the child moves, questions about jurisdiction can complicate custody decisions. Emergency jurisdiction allows a court to issue temporary custody orders if a child is in danger, even if that court is not the home state. Understanding how jurisdiction affects custody decisions is vital. It ensures that the right court makes decisions based on the best interests of the child. This helps prevent conflicting orders and maintain stability for the child. So, knowing about court jurisdiction is essential for navigating legal custody and parental rights effectively.